Once we finish with our production order, we need to check our tools back into storage so they're freed up for use elsewhere within the business. To do so, open up the production order. Select line and the production order. From the menu, choose sToolTracker and check in your tools to the storage location. Expand the card. As this is a serial number tracked item, we need to choose the particular serial number that we wish to check in. This is because we may check in all tools or maybe just one tool. You're probably already familiar with this, so I'm going to speed up the video a bit. Choose Post Print from the menu, Post, and the tools are posted to the journal. These tools are now available in your tool store location.